Today, autonomous systems depend on GPS. When it fails, automation stops. And in industries like mining, construction, defense, and emergency response, that's not just inefficient, it's dangerous.
What if robots could navigate, collaborate, and operate without GPS? Introducing Pickerbot. Pickerbot is a scalable, autonomous robotics platform designed for environments where GPS is not available. Pickerbot doesn't just move, it builds its own network. Using precise robotic manipulation, it deploys wireless communication nodes. As more Pickerbots operate, they create a dynamic mesh network.
What makes Pickerbot unique? Traditional systems rely on fixed infrastructure or costly, specialized solutions. Pickerbot changes the game. It combines mobility, manipulation, and network deployment all in one platform. Flexible, deployable, cost-effective, and built to scale.
From deep underground mines to high-risk construction zones to emergency response where every second counts.
Given the wide range of applications, we have three business models. Hardware sales with software licensing, managed services, and a leasing model. This is our go-to-market strategy. First, we focus on early adopters, where tech-savvy users drive adoption. Next, we expand into vertical industries that require tailored solutions and services. And finally, we scale internationally, targeting key markets in the United States and Europe. Our funding allocation is like this. 40% will be invested in manufacturing and operations. 30% will drive marketing and commercialization. The remaining 30% will be spent on research and development.
Good morning! Very nice.
And they bring up. So you still have to be able to essentially for debugging.
And you can see it's planned a path, and that path will be continuously generated at 20 hertz, a global path that is, and then it also plans like a more finer resolution local path that will plan a more accurate path around obstacles. More unknown space it needs to go to.
Is this sweet?
No, that's, I think.
Day one. Alright, let's go team.
So they're the only team that has like a direct tie.
This goes for the ball now.
Drive and we go in, we tunnel in there and then we drill up.
Pickerbot extends human capability while keeping people out of danger zones. In New South Wales, the robotics industry is creating the jobs of the future. Innovation and automation are shaping our economy, and we are proud to be part of that vision.